Welcome to another video by eCommerce Millionaires. How to start an online store that actually makes money. Did you know that owning a successful e-commerce website is like having a money-making machine? Can you create that online store? Yes, and that's what we're going to talk about in this video today. Welcome to another video of eCommerce Millionaires. In this video, we explain how to create an online store that actually makes money. The process is simple. Watch the video until the end and implement the 4 simple steps we explain here. All right, let's create a money-making website. Step 1. Finding the right products to sell. The product you sell determines your long-term success. Consider these when choosing your product. Avoid seasonal products as much as possible. Well, there's nothing wrong with seasonal products, but you need an online store that generates money for you 365 days a year. So, choose products that customers love to buy throughout the year. Find products that solve customers' problems. Selling products that help customers live better will result in long-term success. Happy customers will keep on buying your products. Research the demand for your products. You have to research the demand for your product. Visit websites like eBay or Amazon. See if there are similar products. See how many people have bought them. And check out their reviews. If these numbers are good, that means you have selected a good product to sell. You can also check out Google Trends to find the demand for your product. We will add the link to Google Trends in the description below. Step 2. Create your online store, which is the foundation of your brand new online business. Start with WooCommerce or Shopify to build your e-commerce store. WooCommerce is remarkably affordable, which is why it's our top recommendation. Shopify is a user-friendly and easy-to-set-up store builder. You can check out the video we did a few days ago on how to start online business from home under $20. Hey, we got something really cool to get you started today. If you do not want to go through the hassle of creating the online store yourself, the eCommerce Millionaires team will set up your website or store for you completely for free. Check out the first link in the description to get you started. A quick tip for you: don't waste your time and energy on perfecting the online store. Most people get lost in this and eventually give up the e-commerce journey. Instead, do the basics, such as adding a logo, changing colors a little bit, adding your products, and configuring payment settings. I will also add a link in the description to get your logo created for free. Finally, test the store yourself and also ask a friend to buy one product so you are confident that the store is working fine and other people can purchase. Then launch and jump to Step 3. Step 3. Start promoting your new online business. Okay, we have to tell you something crucial here. Never give up your business at this stage. Promoting your new business can be challenging, but you can make it by choosing the right online marketing strategies. Follow these steps and achieve success. Do your research on your target audience and choose the right marketing platform according to your target audience. Create social channels such as Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and start publishing outstanding content. Content that helps your audience, not about your products. Start a YouTube channel with or without your face. Creating videos is absolutely simple nowadays. Start a blog and write amazing content that helps people. Post useful and engaging content on your blog. Step 4. The process is almost complete now. Be consistent, focused, and patient like you have never been before. Remember, making money from an online store is not a one-day or one-week process. You have to be consistent and focus on money making until you achieve success. Trying to reach your audience should be a non-stop process. Do that consistently for a few weeks and results will gradually show up. That's it for this video. You're now ready to start. Let's sum it up now. Millions of people make big money with online businesses today, and you can do the same by starting the right online business. As a summary, we would like to give you the following. Do your online research and find the right product to sell. Create an online store with WooCommerce or Shopify. Both links are in the description below. Start promoting your new business on social media platforms. Be consistent and never give up. The eCommerce Millionaires team wishes you good luck. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. Thanks.